Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving your work and closing apps so processes end cleanly. This prevents data loss and speeds shutdown. Once done, check battery level and plug in the charger if it's below 20% to avoid accidental wake loops. Next, if you use managed or secondary accounts, sign out or lock them so device policies won't interfere. Now, press the time area in the lower right corner to reveal quick settings. That opens the controls you need to continue. You now pick the shutdown method that fits your situation. For a standard shutdown, click the power icon in Quick Settings and choose Shut Down. This ensures all user sessions end properly. If you need a fast sign out, press Ctrl+Shift+Q twice to log out before shutting down. For advanced control, open settings, go to Device, then Power to schedule power off or manage lid behavior. Also, on some models, you can long press the physical power button or use Alt+Shift+S for vendor-specific. Finish by confirming the screen and status lights go fully dark. That indicates a complete power down. Make sure no external drives are connected to avoid wake events. If the Chromebook won't turn off, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force shutdown. This clears firmware hangs. Should the problem persist, perform a hardware recovery or factory reset only after backing up data. And contact support if you see repeated boot or power fault symptoms. Those suggest deeper hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.